Und weiter geht's hier bei Muses Geschichte in Tales of Xillia 2 und die Frage ist, was ist das im Viech da vorne?
Wait! No, no, no! Stop! Don't beat it without me! My, what a relief. Looks like everything worked out.
Everyone's safe.
I'm glad everyone's okay, but something about this creature seems off to me.
No.
What?
It's gone berserk. Stop it.
Das sagst du so einfach, Gaius. Muse, was hast du angerichtet? Kleines Fräulein, was soll das? Gintel-Druid, okay, Resistenz nur gegen Licht. Naja, kriegen wir schon hin, wa?
What is this strange contraption before me?
Nur überhaupt keine Ahnung, was es sein soll.
Is this your doing?
Scheinbar sind seine Angriffe ziemlich noch stark. Alter! Wir sind alle verwirrt. Damit habe ich jetzt allerdings nicht gerechnet. Hä? Moment mal. Ah, verdammt, geht gar nicht mehr. Hilfe. Er hat viel drauf. Das ist nicht streng. Moment mal, da stand gerade was von Julius Ur. Halte die Hand, die die Zeit zurückdreht, mit dem Speer auf. Zeit zurückdrehen. Natürlich. Im Kampf gegen Kronos. Mit der anderen Waffe, hallo?
Onward. Roger.
Oh ne, jetzt ist das schon wieder so, dass sie verwirrt sind. Oh, wie ich das hasse, ey.
Do you need a lift?
Ach komm, Leute, kein Bock mehr drauf.
This isn't good.
Das Viech hält echt was aus. Verdammt, er hat viel zu wenig TP. Oh, Menno. Das ist ein Scheißviech, ey. Siehst du nur, wie ich porten kann? Du. Alles dank, Muse. Wow. Nein, wieder zurück! Wow, und trotzdem getroffen, Alter, obwohl ich rausgewichen bin. Und nicht alle, wa? Ist das geil? Kann er verwirrt? Ja, geil ist natürlich, ist klar. Der Dummbolzen ins Space, mach's mal so. Verdammt, wirklich nur bei einem. Boah, ich wusste es doch. Ja, das kann er bei allen wirken. Jetzt hat er uns aber nicht getroffen. Aber dafür Gaius wieder. Servus auch. Was jetzt plötzlich? So, Judas ist klar. Ja, sieht so aus. Wow! Was war das gerade plötzlich? Da kommt sich mal zurückholen. Dankeschön! Das haben wir alle geblockt. Nein, alle natürlich nicht. Der erste Mal wieder. Was man verbinden kannst nicht schon, wa? Brust verbinden zusammen Handel. Okay, macht's irgendwie. Also eigentlich ist er kein Problem, der Typ, aber was mit Gaius? Nein, mit Muse, jetzt kommt er. Das ist ganz coole hier. Oh, oh.
It's time! Gather the original sin. Emptiness and eternity. Scatter and crush. Event Horizon!
Da ich noch viel aussehen. So, es ist Feierabend. Wir haben Commodus 2.0 und können sogar auf 3.0 ihn noch upgraden, wie es gerade aussah. Und hasta la vista, Kumpel. I'll be back. Ah ja, und mir auch. Und neue Level-Ups für uns, das ist doch einfach geil.
Strong?
I'm getting strong.
Yeah, we getting stronger.
Muse. Was this your doing?
Well,
Muse.
I'm sorry.
You went too far this time.
This is serious. People could have been hurt.
And what happened to the whole sweet scoop thing?
I'll be quiet.
Ich weiß, was es damit auf sich hat, aber das war alles Muse Schuld. Alliance. Dann wissen wir es wirklich.
So you're saying she did this just to get closer to us?
Well, your plan backfired a little.
You all get along so well with Mila. I thought this would make you like me more too. Sorry.
No. I'm the one who should apologize. Forgive me.
Mila.
Despite your scheming, you were only trying to impress me. Next time, how about we discuss your plans first?
Yeah, I guess we'll give you a pass this time. It's kind of sweet, in a really weird way.
I really do hope we can become good friends.
Really?
Willy Willy.
Guess you'll get some peace from Muse's mind now. I'm not blind, you know. She may be obsessed with Mila now, but at least she's moving forward, trying to live her life. Not that I ever want to go through this again.
Kapitel 4, Muse punktet, Ende ist noch lange nicht vorbei. Also, Kapitel schon, aber Muse-Geschichte noch lange nicht, wie ich vermute.
Hey, guess what? I shed my wings and grow a new set every season. But don't tell
Okay, machen wir nicht. Eben sogar was bekommen war. Süße Knödel, aber viel zu schwach sind.
anyone else. Okay? I'm serious.
Ja, ist gut. Sag's keinem weiter. So. Weiter im Text und zwar mit den nächsten Stories. Eine ist ein Triglav. Mal schauen, wo genau. Okay, geht sicher ein bisschen schneller. Nee, nicht unbedingt. Ah, hier vielleicht.
Gaius.
Naja, ein
Is
bisschen
that a
schneller.
copy of the Gourmet's Guide to Olympias? I didn't realize you had such an interest in food.
Ja, aber jetzt weißt
to
du's.
further my understanding of Olympias by understanding its distinctive Mila, wipe away your drool.
How strange. Suddenly, I can't stop thinking about fried chicken.
Sounds like we should eat soon.
Ja, machen wir schon. Erstmal geht's los mit Gaius Geschichte, beziehungsweise natürlich Erstens Geschichte, wa? Wir müssen ganz mal gucken. Charakterwechsel und zwar noch gegen Elvin, weil ich will ja auch die mystischen Arten noch zeigen, war von unseren Freunden. Wenn's irgendwie geht. Gaius Kapitel 4, was der König tun muss.
Hey, I just arrived myself.
You guys worried about Kyle too?
It's been a while since I heard anything from him. I only hope this dread I'm feeling is just my imagination.
Ja, mal gucken, wa?
Hey, they're here.
Good day, Erston. I'd offer you a drink, but we're in the middle of an interrogation here. Not that you seem to care.
Tanner, Kyle, are you unhurt?
They just grabbed us out of the blue.
Kyle.
You beat up these children?
Oh, please. It's not that bad. We simply taught these punks to respect the law. After all, they were obstructing a murder investigation.
What?
Plenty of witnesses were there. They all saw what happened. They watched Kyle shove and kill that soldier.
No way.
I blew it, Big E. But that soldier started it. He was harassing me even though I didn't do squat. He treated me like a criminal.
That Risa Maxian started the whole thing!
I'm sorry, Big E. I'm so sorry.
I'm not the one you need to apologize to.
Oh, that reminds me, Erston. There are some folks I would like for you to meet. Hey, let them in. I'm so sorry. You have my deepest condolences.
Huh?
This man and woman are none other than the grieving parents of the murdered Risa Maxian soldier.
Is this the kid who killed my son, Detective?
Allegedly. The case isn't closed yet.
Tell me why. Why did you do it? Why did you kill our son?
So, what do you think? Do you still insist on protecting this man, Erston? It can't be easy when one of the subjects you've sworn to protect wails for her dead son.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Open your eyes. This man is no run-of-the-mill Risa Maxian. He is King Gaius of Risa Maxia. Ha! Did you really think he was some Joe Schmo in your little gang?
Big E? Come on. Say it ain't so.
Yeah.
He's right.
Huh?
The scene of the crime was Marksburg, which is under the joint jurisdiction of both countries. That means Risa Maxia is in a unique position to demand custody of the suspect.
Is that true?
I could do that, however.
However, that sort of thing would cause one heck of an international incident, I bet. The Risa Maxians would be up in arms and out for blood over the incident. It might even poison the current negotiations on tariff autonomy that are so very important to Risa Maxia.
I know.
Big E.
Just think about it, Kyle. Who do you really believe is on your side here? The Risa Maxian king who's been pretending to be your friend this whole time? Or me, a fellow Olympian?
I don't know what to tell you.
Take me with you. I'll talk.
Your Majesty, my boss's boss's boss is waiting at the Marksburg Inn. If you'd be so kind as to come and meet with my superior, I'm sure the both of you could discuss more than a few words in private.
With Risa Maxia's cabinet ministers, I imagine.
Yes, exactly. You imagine right.
Gaius.
I know. It's true I could use my powers to protect Kyle from prosecution. But then I would fail as a king. I wouldn't be able to face my people.
Tja, was wäre die Alternative, wa? Geh nach Marksburg, von mir aus. Und hören uns an, was hier denn los ist. Du.
Let's discuss this at the hotel. We should return there immediately.
Thank you for waiting, Your Majesty. Everyone is assembled in the conference room. If you would follow me, please.
Luger, what are your thoughts on Kyle's crime?
Wenn es stimmt, dass er einen Mann getötet hat, dann muss er dafür zur Verantwortung gezogen werden. Oder aber, ich weiß, es ist eine heikle Situation, aber ich finde, wir sollten dennoch versuchen, Kyle zu retten. Sorry, hat jemand getötet, also vielleicht gar kein Mitleid.
You make it sound so simple. Such clarity comes from having a strong sense of morality. You've helped me accept what I must do, and I am grateful for it.
What will happen to Kyle?
I agreed to extradite him to Olympias.
Did you win a concession on the tariffs in return?
The ministers are thrilled. They said the life of one soldier was a small price to pay.
Was mit der Familie des Soldaten? War der wirklich mit einverstanden, Gaius?
In my position, personal feelings are irrelevant. Were I just a normal friend, perhaps I might have tried to save Kyle from being arrested.
That must have been hard.
It is my duty.
Wise decision, Your Majesty. You allowed Olympias to save face, but it also brought a great boon to your people. To be completely honest, I didn't think you had it in you. I wish I were as good at my job as you are. Well then, I'll be off. Until next time.
I would have preferred it if he were openly insulting.
Olympias is the one that holds the upper hand when it comes to negotiations between the two countries. That man probably set this whole thing up. He knew full well I wouldn't act against the interests of Riza Maxia. Pardon me. Would you mind throwing this away for me?
Are you sure, sir?
Yes.
Das wird wohl das Beste sein. Oder aber, werf es doch nicht weg, es war ein Geschenk.
It was a gift for a man named Erston. A gift from his friends. I have no right keeping it.
But it's proof that you had any friends at all. People who actually wanted to spend time with you. As a normal man, as Erston. I think that humans and spirits alike all need people who will accept them for who they truly are.
What'll it be?
I'll hold on to it. Luger, let's have a group photo sometime. You, me, and all the others.
Das wären wir. Gaius Kapitel 4, was der König tun muss, ist zu Ende. Jetzt sind Gaius noch 4 Kapitel. Oh, kann doch schon sein.
Why is it that you Olympians are so good with machines? What? Most Riza
Das soll bedeuten, Gaius, dass du nicht unbedingt gerade der Hellste bist. Partyschle.
Axions
Was für
are
ein
good
Quatsch,
with
ey. Okay, sind wir hier fertig in Olympias. Sieht so aus, gehen wir noch weiter nach Gebiet von Dwellin, wa? Wer hat denn hier noch eine Quest für uns? Übrigens Leute, ich mache heute ein Part ziemlich lang, wie es aussieht, denn ich will alle Quests in reinquetschen in diesen Part. Wieso? Ganz einfach, weil ich halt, da sind es noch 2 Parts, sprich 98 und Part 99 und die will ich halt mit der Hauptstory verbringen, weil ich will es eigentlich unter 100 Parts bringen, das Ganze. So, wollen wir uns Geschichte fortsetzen. Rowan Kapitel 4, zum Rand der Ewigkeit und zurück.
Ah, Luga. Did you know the city of Drellin is famous for its spirits? Not the kind that interest Jude, mind you. Drellin's spirits are of the liquid variety. With all we've been through, I believe we could use a drink. Shall we wet our whistles?
Ich trinke eigentlich nicht, klar, auch 2 oder 3.
That's the spirit. Come, let me show you how to appreciate the finer things. Oh, Lady Mila and Lady Elise. Is anything the matter?
No, nothing. Elise and I are just out for a stroll.
Yep, stretching my legs. What are you two up to?
Luga and I were just about to indulge in some of Drellin's local delicacies.
Sounds intriguing.
Drellin is famous for, seafood and spirits, right?
I want to see food too!
Why not accompany us? We would never turn down such beautiful company.
Flattery will get you everywhere. Sure, I'm in.
Did you mean just Mila?
I meant all 3 of you. 2 beautiful ladies and 1 beautiful plush doll thing.
Oh, Rowan, you're embarrassing me!
Pardon me.
Sure seems like the same old Rowan to me.
That letter must have been a misunderstanding.
Forgive me, everyone. I'm afraid some urgent business has come up.
What is it?
An emergency meeting of the military commanders. We've received threats of terrorism from an extremist group that opposes peace between the nations.
You're a busy man.
Too busy to find the time to complain about it. But it's all for the future of our 2 nations. Luga, I want you to have this.
Was ist das? Wollt ihr mich etwa dafür entschädigen, dass ihr unsere Knappentour ablasst?
Well, I suppose it might buy a few libations if you sold it, but I'd appreciate it if you wouldn't. It completes a set with my own charm. I promise I'll make this up to you.
He's fully devoting himself to fulfilling his mission.
Yeah, he doesn't seem like he'd need a will anytime soon.
True. Well, there's no use worrying about it now. Let's eat.
Okay.
My fish was so fresh, it was practically still wriggling.
I'll sample Drellin's other claim to fame when Rowan gets back.
Oh nein, bitte nicht schon wieder.
This is Vera. There's been an abduction. An extremist group has just claimed responsibility. The victim is Riza Maxian Prime Minister Rowan Ilbert.
What?
Chancellor Marcia has requested Spirius's assistance in the rescue operation. Please return to headquarters ASAP for a full briefing.
Something wrong?
Allerdings. Irgendwie stimmt hier gar nichts mehr.
Kidnapped Rowan!
That threat he mentioned earlier. It must have been bait to lure him into a trap.
We gotta save the old guy!
Luger, we're coming with you.
Okay, danke Mann. Geleit für Rowan. Ein anderes Mal. Aha, stimmt ja. Wir müssen ja zur Spirius AG. In die Hauptzentrale. Wo wir eigentlich erst vor kurzem noch geflohen sind, aber ist ja scheißegal.
I'll begin the briefing. Prime Minister Ilbert has been kidnapped by an extremist group that espouses Olympian domination.
Olympian domination? I take it they oppose the peace treaty.
Yes, the Olympian government has been sent a list of their demands.
The Olympian government? Why would they care about Rowan?
The Prime Minister is a key player in the peace process. He's crucial to Olympius. They certainly understand that.
They intend to use him as a bargaining chip.
That's horrible.
They also hacked into our telecommunications system and broadcast this message.
Keep Olympia separate. It is a sacred land for a chosen people. We will not have it be fouled by a friendship with Riza Maxia. Riza Maxia's inhabitants are our fuel. Its land, nothing more than a penal colony for deserters. The leadership of Olympias has lost its way. We demand the immediate dissolution of the peace treaty. Should you refuse us, the consequences will be decisive and severe.
These nutjobs have Rowan?
We shut down the broadcast immediately, of course, but the extremists have powerful communication jamming Spyrex. We were unable to determine the signal's origin.
If only we had a little more to go on.
Huh? What is it?
That's the charm Rowan gave you. May I see it? Apparently it's enchanted by some sort of art. I'm sure the Four could tell us more. Interesting. This art seems to emit a special pulse through earth and water. And it resonates with an opposing pulse transmitted through fire and wind.
What?
Rowan had another stone just like this.
I'll have the Four seek out the strongest point of resonance. That should be the midpoint between the two stones. Then the source of the other pulse should be equidistant from us in the opposite direction.
Midpoint acquired. Now we just need to pinpoint the equidistant location. That puts the source of the transmission near Labari Hollow.
They're in Riza Maxia.
Is this why Rowan gave Ludger the stone in the first place?
It's almost as if he knew he'd be abducted.
He's still okay, right?
They're using him as a bargaining chip. They'd be fools to kill him.
Phew!
However, Rowan is still a key figure in the peace movement. They may be planning on disposing of him eventually.
Now that you mention it, the Spurious Corporation has analyzed what would happen if Mr. Ilbert were killed. According to our projections, his death and the resulting backlash would ultimately advance the cause of international peace.
What?
That means...
Was für ein Quatsch, ey. Könnte Rowan denn vorhaben, seinen eigenen Tod zu nutzen? Rowan würde doch niemals auf derart verzweifelte Maßnahmen zurückgreifen. Oh, du kennst Rowan nicht.
So that's why he wrote that letter. Dying to make your wish come true isn't right.
Yeah, think about how sad the rest of us would be.
The Rowan I know would never do such a thing. The extremists' hideout is in Labari Hollow. Let's go.
Okay, gehen wir. Ja, wie es aussieht, könnte das Ganze noch länger dauern, als ich gerade dachte. Scheibenkleister, hey. Ich habe wohl die ganze Zeit, das Ganze braucht, ein bisschen unterschätzt. Nun gut, mal gucken. Aber ansonsten noch ein, zwei Pläne, was das anbelangt. Tja, soweit schon überall mal war, da heißt...
Let's leave no stone unturned.
Don't worry, we'll find you.
Das soll ja nicht nötig sein. Ah, geil, sie dabei. Na gut, von mir aus. Der wird wohl am ehesten unten sein, oder? Also alles andere. Wäre ja wohl leicht verrückt. Dann haben wir eine Geode, okay. Was haben wir noch Schönes? 600 Gold. Naja, wer es braucht. Hier geht's weiter. Da unten sind sie auch nicht, wa? Das Scheiß wieder da unten, das anerkennen. Theoretisch dort wollen sie natürlich etwas verstecken, sag ich jetzt mal, oder beziehungsweise was beschützen. Ich kriege euch, ne, heute nicht. Hier ist also kein Durchgang. Interessant. Tschüss. Wuhu, Hilfe.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Dich platt machen, was denn sonst? Bist nur ein oder was? Der schnellste Sieg ever!
Rowan must be in the back.
Hurry.
Dass da sogar noch Erfahrungspunkte gibt, hey.
If there's a guard outside.
Rowan must be inside.
Wäre es eigentlich logisch. Mal gucken, ob wir noch was vergessen hier.
How'd you find us?
Why don't you ask the man on the ground? He clearly outwitted you.
This old fool? Not bloody likely. Surrender!
Und sicher den Vorrang geben, trotzdem angreifen. Und sicher natürlich.
And stay back.
Now.
Blasted Riza Maxians! You'll pay for this!
Das war cool, Mila. Aber auch der kann jetzt ziemlich schnell vorbei sein. Ja, also.
I have no fear. I'll help.
Well, that settles that.
How can you be so nonchalant about this?
Fragen wir allerdings auch. Wie kann das nur machen? Autoarznei, nicht schlecht.
Rowan! Thank goodness you're alive!
I knew that you would eventually come and find me here.
Did you know that you would be abducted?
Unfortunately, yes. I considered it enough of a possibility that I should have an insurance policy. I needed something effective but inconspicuous, so I gave Luga a paired resonance stone as a safety measure.
Whoa, good thinking there!
We were able to take out the extremists' home base as a result.
Always the tactician. Your plan really came together there.
It was only possible because I knew I could rely on you.
Rowan, there's something that you should know. We found those letters that you wrote. The wills.
Yeah! You see these tears? We were afraid you might kick the bucket!
Ah, so you ended up finding those. Dare I ask if you read them in their entirety?
No, I was too scared to read past the very beginning.
Then you missed the part where I asked you to assist Lady Dressel in restoring the 6 ruling houses.
Huh?
I believe the 6 houses are crucial to strengthening the bonds between Rashagal and Azul. I have hidden multiple letters to other prominent figures in my residences in Kanbalar, as well as those in Finmont. They outline all of the steps that should be taken in order for the prosperity and future of Rize Maxia, as well as the peace process.
I see. That way your mission could continue even without you.
Not that I had any intention of dying, mind you. After all, there is still much I must do. I simply haven't the time to die. But at the same time, I understand that no one lives forever.
Rowan.
The thought of our bright future flickering out because I died with my plans half finished. To me, that would be a fate crueler than death itself.
But this way, the hope of achieving international peace can survive even without you.
Exactly. I have written such letters to a great number of people. And you are one of them, young miss.
I never would have imagined that you'd come to me for something this important. Are you okay with this?
Although, hey, you know you can count on us.
I want you to decide your own future, Elise. Yet as much as I hate to burden you with the fate of the country, we are good friends, and I could not help but ask.
I'd be more than honored, Rowan.
But knock off all this dying talk! You're bumming me out!
Und vor allem dauert das ewig lange, ey. Ich werde dafür sorgen, dass WoW nichts zustößt. Eure Haltung ist wundernswert, aber euretwegen haben Elise und Duisel so Song gemacht.
Definitely. We'll all protect you, no matter what happens.
Count on it.
Thank you, my friends. Well, it appears I won't need to have you read the rest of the letter then.
Yes.
It's from Chancellor Marcia. She seems to have been quite concerned about me.
You are important to Chancellor Marcia, just like you're important to us.
Yeah, you're totally buddies now.
Oh, we are? I suppose that our relationship has evolved beyond the point of mere colleagues. Perhaps I should invite her out for dinner and apologize for putting her through all of this.
Rowan's going on a date!
Hey, not so fast. You better treat us all to dinner first. Something upscale should suffice.
I have to pay for everything?
May joys from afar beget joys close to the hearth, and carry those joys far afield.
She's got you there, Rowan.
I accept defeat. Tonight will be my treat.
Woohoo! Hooray!
It's just like they say, for the act of spreading joy is the greatest joy of all. Someday I'll take you to dinner. You deserve a reward for all your hard work too.
I'm looking forward to it already.
Mann, nochmal beim ganzen Quatsch ums Essen krieg ich selber noch Hunger. Kapitel 4, zum Rand der Ewigkeit zurück, ist zu Ende. Und damit auch endlich dieser Part, Leute. Alter Schwede, dauert das immer... Ist gar nicht dabei, cool. Dauert das immer ewig. Gut, Freunde, soweit dazu. Wir sind jetzt, hoffe ich jetzt zumindest mal... Ich hoffe es wirklich. Doch, ich bin fertig. Also gut, im nächsten Part geht es hier weiter in Risa Max. Wir werden noch ein paar Quests erledigen. In Bezug auf Nummerierung habe ich keine Idee bekommen, wie ich das ganz anders lösen kann. Ist das vermutlich auch nicht Part 97, vermutlich sogar erst 95. 96, keine Ahnung, mal gucken, wie ich das Ganze mache. Ja, dann geht es halt nach Hemel, Jolting, Siandu, Kambala und noch viel zu tun, bis endlich alles bereit ist für unseren Abschlussspurt zum 16. Kapitel und damit dem Ende des Let's Plays. In diesem Sinne, bis zum nächsten Mal hier bei Tales of Xillia 2. Ja, dankeschön, mir gefällt sie auch. Nicht Elvin, Rowan. Der Zeigestab. Okay, Verteidigung so. Sagen wir, der Tablet raussieht, ey. So, machen wir das mal richtig. Gaius raus dafür. Wow, Elvin rein. Für den Mystical Altar. Naja. Also, bis zum nächsten Mal, Freunde. Tschüss.